Dear friends, today I am going to discuss about two ecosystems. One which is forming part of part A, which is the IBC ecosystem or insolvency bankruptcy ecosystem, and the part B proposal in the budget, which is discussing about the income tax appellate ecosystem or litigation ecosystem. First, move on to the Part A insolvency ecosystem, which is dealing with the insolvency and bankruptcy code simplification. Now, presently, the insolvency and bankruptcy of companies takes around 330 days, and insolvency or voluntary liquidation of limited liability partnerships takes quite a lot of time. There is a Center for Accelerated Corporate Exit for resolving the insolvency and bankruptcy of companies. Why not extend this to limited liability partnerships also, so that they will be very much smoothly and very speedily being exited? That is why CPACE is being proposed in the budget, which is a very welcome move. Now this CPACE will work very much wonders for the corporate exit of the limited liability partnerships. For voluntary exit of limited liability partnerships, this CPACE is the right thing for the right time has come. Then additional national company law tribunals exclusively dealing with company cases will be set up. Now the national company law tribunals are dealing with both the IBC cases, insolvency cases, as well as the other company cases. Now, with the introduction of additional national company law tribunals, there will be some tribunals exclusively dealing with the company law cases, freeing the space for IBC cases. IBC cases are mounting up in India. Therefore, the rationale for setting up additional company tribunals to remove the burden of the present burden of the national company law tribunals to deal with additional company cases to exclusively some NCLTs we will be dealing with only company cases. So IBC space will be freed for the national company law tribunals. Then there is the integrated technological platform for the 5 pillars of the IBC, which includes IBBI, the insolvency professionals, and information utility. All this will be merged in and integrated with the technological integrated platform, which will make the insolvency cases smoother. Presently, it takes 330 days to resolve an insolvency case, which is the maximum limit suggested. With the introduction of integrated technology platform, it will become somewhat smoother, which it is hoping. Then, as per the part B of the direct taxes settlement of the appeals and the litigation aspects, some more offices will be allocated, is what the budget is proposing. Some more offices for the large taxpayers will be exclusively allocated for dealing with the direct taxes, appeals and litigation, which is a welcome move, my dear friends. Then the Vivad Se Vishwas scheme 2024 is taking a comeback. Vivad Se Vishwas scheme was a very much success earlier. Now it is again coming back with 2024 Vivad Se Vishwas scheme, which is another very crucial change which the part B of the budget has suggested for the direct taxes settlement of appeals. Then the money limit has been fixed. People are just going to the income tax appellate tribunals, the high courts and the supreme courts with the income tax cases. Now the amount limit, the money limit has been fixed. If you have a demand of 60 lakhs, then you can go to the income tax appellate tribunal. If you have an amount of 2 crores of demand, then you can go to the High Court. If you have an amount of 5 crores, then you can go to the Supreme Court. That is the amount limit fixed. So this will make the things smoother. In international taxation front, the safe harbor rules will be some more extended to some more new aspects, so that the international taxation aspect also looks good and very much smoother. With these changes, the settlement